Power through DIY projects with precision, speed, and convenience using modern cordless tools. Best cordless electric screwdrivers deliver compact power, easy handling, and efficient fastening for home, workshop, and professional use. Upgrade your toolkit with smart, portable performance designed for everyday tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DWHD66719 Electric Screwdriver. The DEWALT DWHD66719 electric screwdriver is a powerful tool designed to handle a wide variety of assembly tasks with professional precision. Offering up to 44 nlbs, 5 Nm, of powered torque and up to 124 nlbs, 14 Nm, of manual finishing capability. This screwdriver allows users to tackle both light and moderately demanding projects efficiently. Its cordless design combines speed and convenience, reaching up to 360 revolutions per minute no-load speed and powered by a 2Ah battery capable of driving up to 680 screws per charge, making it an excellent choice for home and workshop tasks. The 6-stage torque adjustment ensures controlled delivery of power, matching the screwdriver's output to each specific task and reducing the risk of damage to materials. Soft start functionality and lower speed modes provide enhanced precision for delicate applications, helping prevent stripping or over-tightening of screws. Number 2. HOTO 1500 mAh Electric Screwdriver. The HOTO 1500 mAh electric screwdriver is a compact yet powerful tool that combines convenience with durability. Equipped with 5 ultra-tough 12S2 steel bits, each capable of withstanding up to 60 HRC, this screwdriver ensures longevity and reliability for a wide range of applications, from furniture assembly to electrical repairs. Its magnetic tip simplifies bit changes, and the circular LED illuminates work areas for precision in dimly lit spaces. Weighing only 0.55 pounds, it features a double-layered soft grip made from durable plastic and TP rubber, ensuring comfort during extended use. The screwdriver's portable aluminum alloy storage box keeps all 12 bits organized, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. Its one-hand design allows total control with 3 torque settings: electric mode maxing at 4 NEM and manual mode up to 8 NEM. The built-in smart sensor immediately stops rotation when the button is released. Number 3. JOREST PS5 Electric Screwdriver. The JOREST PS5 electric screwdriver is designed for precise, comfortable, and efficient operation, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its 5 adjustable torque levels, ranging from 0.15 to 0.75 NEM, provide fine control for delicate tasks, while a 7 NEM manual torque option adds extra power when needed. Users are advised to loosen glued screws manually before switching to electric mode, ensuring smooth performance. The dual-mode design features an ergonomic, non-slip aluminum alloy handle that reduces hand fatigue and allows easy operation in narrow spaces. For built-in LED lights enhance visibility in dimly lit work areas, ensuring precise placement and accurate fastening. Powered by a 500 mAh rechargeable battery, the screwdriver reaches full charge in just 1 hour and operates continuously for up to 1.5 hours, capable of removing approximately 1,500 screws. Number 4. HOTO 2000 mAh Electric Screwdriver. The HOTO 2000 mAh electric screwdriver combines advanced technology with user-friendly design for professional-level performance in home and workshop projects. Its smart display shows real-time torque levels and battery charge, allowing for precise adjustments during DIY projects or electronics repair. The screwdriver offers 6 professional torque settings, ranging from 0.5 to 6 NEM, enabling careful handling of delicate electronics at lower levels and powerful torque for furniture assembly and general maintenance at higher settings. Dual speed control with a smart trigger allows users to work efficiently. A half press activates low speed 80 revolutions per minute for precision, while a full press engages high speed 200 revolutions per minute for faster screw driving. The set includes 30 premium bits with 20 long and 10 short, covering 20 different types of screws for versatile applications. The compact triple-layer cylinder keeps bits organized, ensuring. Number 5. JOREST Precision Electric Screwdriver. The JOREST Precision Electric Screwdriver is built for meticulous, controlled work, making it perfect for electronics, small repairs, and precision tasks. It features 5 adjustable electric gears corresponding to torque levels of 0.05, 0.09, 0.12, 0.15, and 0.2 NAM, plus a manual torque of 5 NAM, allowing users to match power to each specific application. For embedded LED lights illuminate work areas, ensuring visibility in dim spaces. The screwdriver offers overheat protection, automatically pausing operation when the motor reaches high temperatures and resuming once cooled, extending its lifespan. Equipped with a USB fast charging cable, it reaches a full charge in 1 hour, providing continuous use for up to 1.5 hours and the ability to unscrew approximately 1,000 screws. Standby. Battery life of 60 days ensures readiness even after long periods of. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.